Mr. Bore is on the way.
From Jhansi.
It's coming from a very distant place. Yes, Mr. Who are you? You're Collector Morena. Since when are you functioning there as collector?
January
15 January 2022. Have you seen the papers? Particularly the orders which this court has passed in the past.
Yes.
This matter relates to adulteration in milk and milk products in Morena district. How you plan to tide over this menace?
background, so people just a couple of years back, so
Just speak a mic.
so just a couple of years back, there was no proper mechanism.
You
for
can
this.
stretch it a bit more and be comfortable. You can hold it up.
Sir. So just a couple of years back, sir, there was no proper mechanism, sir. But since the government has started this Milawat Se Mukti Abhiyan, it has increased both the lab facilities. It has monitored lab facilities, sir. It has also started monitoring the number of samples that are going. It is also monitoring ourselves also, sir. Earlier, sir, food adulteration department used to work entirely separately, sir. There was no proper monitoring of it. Now, sir, under a subdivisional level, at the subdivision level, the subdivisional magistrate is the member of the head of the committee, and he is also monitoring that. I am also monitoring that, sir. The result of it is that, sir, in the last 1.5 year, 2 years, the number of samples have tremendously increased, sir. If for example, say from 2014 to 2020, if we take the figures, sir, the amount of samples that were being taken were somewhere around 200 or something. In the last couple of years alone, sir, it has reached to 968 samples, sir. So we are regularly taking those samples.
Now look at the situation.
Sir.
It's only because of some policy which has been coined in recent past that the existing machinery was galvanized.
Yeah.
And see the difference from 2014 to 2020, as you say, there were hardly 200 samples.
Yes.
As against this figure, it has gone up to 900
968 in the last couple of years.
in a couple of years.
Sir.
Why such things happen? Why you wait for the government to roll out a policy for that? It's a basic, I should say, these are the essential commodities for which regulation is provided for under the EC Act and the orders you're supposed to issue. Why system does not work on its own? Why you need policy? Why you need courts interventions? It's a matter in the public domain. You are a public servant. Your officers owe accountability towards public. Imagine the plight of people. These persons are playing with their ignorance. They have no option than to go for the milk or the milk products available in the market. What kind of milk product are they consuming? They do not know. But the side effects is so shocking that people fall prey to such adulteration and suffer for all times to come in their life because of the injury, for the adverse effect on health caused by this regular use of milk and milk products. It's indeed a very, very important step required to be taken. Not only check, but ensuring that these all are nipped in the bud. You better do an extensive exercise, ensuring the outlets and the places where from milk supply is made. Do it. And I'm happy that for last 2 months, the sample numbers have gone up about 4 times, almost 4 times. You further increase it. Let there be awareness drive, either by way of short films in animation form, or the posters, or conspicuous places. Idea is to spread awareness, not only about the adulteration, but about the steps being taken by the administration. Let, let the faith and trust reposed by people upon you people is contained, and there is no deficit of trust. So I will keep it pending. You please do three things. Number one, let your field officers prepare a comprehensive report. This report must contain suspected places, where adulteration in milk and milk products are processed.